Good morning, friends. So today we'll be going to see optics. So let's start with optics. In optics, what I've done is I've divided it into several parts, that is ray optics, wave optics, and instruments, and also given you the marking scheme. So look at it carefully. So here what we have done is I've given you 13 marks marking scheme. So there'll be one question that would be of 5 mark, and there'll be two question of 3 marks, and there'll be two questions of 2 mark each. So please look into the marking scheme. What I've done here is I've given you briefly an explanation of what all things will come. So if you have any doubt on any particular section, please mention it in comments. So I'll make a small video on that too, so that it can be discussed. I'll also upload the PDF of this, or all everything what I have mentioned here, and I'll give the link of that PDF in the description, so you can download the PDF directly. Mostly all the students who have already worked upon the concepts would understand these direct points which I have already mentioned in the video. But if you are unable to grasp what I am speaking about in the video, so please let me know in the comment section. I'll explain those things further. Also, just remember that you need to go and check all the derivations, numericals, and discussion I told you, because this will make your things easier, because you won't need to study anything more than this. I expect that this helps you out for your exam, and please go through every concept and every derivation one by one from any refresher or any NCERT. Let's see what. Also make sure that you learn all these derivation by any means, either by understanding or writing them again and again, because at any cost you should be knowing all these derivations before in the exam to score at least minimum 45 to 50 marks, and even if you want to go above 65 marks, this would help you a lot. So prepare well, and soon I'll be uploading the other two videos for modern physics as well as semiconductor.